Hi guys, this is T from Driftwood Gaming, and I'm here to show you a little plugin that I made with the help of Drifty, Yanfly, and Treehand. Thank you guys for helping me make the plugin. So I'm just going to show you what it does first. Let's play it. Let's start a new game. And you see this event. Walked across, touched another event, and made it ring a bell, and then it did it again and again. So what this plugin does is make it so events can trigger other events. And I'll show you how that works right now. Up in the top here, I have an auto run event that just runs this plugin command when you're on the map. And you'll see here it has triggered events on this map, and you're just going to list the events that you would like to trigger on the map. Right here I have event 1, event 5, and event 7, the 3 girls. So I put that in here. And that means these events are going to trigger when they're touched by another event, and I'll explain that one in a minute. But all they do is play a bell when they're triggered, so it's pretty simple. And then the other event, to make an event that will trigger the events that you specified in this parameter, you just put the note tag triggering event in that event. It's blank, it doesn't have to have anything special really in it. It'll just trigger the other event and run that. One thing to note is make sure to set it to player touch. Both of the events should be set to player touch. And you can use multiple events to trigger multiple events. And I'm going to show you that right now. No. I'm going to do this smarter. First, before I do that, let's change this to random. Yes, and then copy and paste. Works smarter, not harder, right guys? Anyways, let's look at what happens here. We got lots of stuff going on. So as you can see, each one of these events is triggering each one of these events as they touch them, and you got like a whole lot of stuff happening. But I want to show you something else too. If you do something this radical, this is what your console log is going to look like. This is just some consoles that I'm running, and it will absolutely, over a long period of time, cause a memory leak and eventually crash the game. So I wouldn't suggest going crazy with this event with a bunch of other events just triggering constantly, because you could possibly cause a problem. It is hard to break it. But if you use it for modest events, or you don't go crazy with it, it would be pretty difficult to break it. But anyways, it won't work for everybody, but it will work for some, and hopefully you guys will find it useful. Definitely subscribe to Driftwood Gaming and come to our Discord and hang out. That's where we are all the time. And like the video, because this is a good video, right guys? Like the video, hit that bell. We'll see you next time. Bye.